The Dassault Super Etendard forms the cutting edge of the French carrier air wing. It is the Aéronaval's principal offensive aircraft and is tasked with missions ranging from anti-ship strike to close support. It also has an important nuclear strike role. It has seen combat with some success in the Falklands and the Gulf, proving a lethal anti-ship attacker. Super Etendard is itself a development of the Etendard 4 naval fighter of the 1960s. The prototype first flew in 1974, and the first of 71 aircraft entered service with the Aéronaval in 1978. It introduced many improvements, the most important of which was its new Agave multimode radar, which with its air-to-air capability allowed the aircraft to take some of the responsibility for defending the carrier. In air-to-air mode, it can lock on to fighters at 20 kilometers. Agave can detect patrol boat-sized targets at 40 kilometers. The new radar was also